What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Simple Ever Zone. Today I want to give us another strategy that we can use for our day-to-day trading, and the strategy comprises of RSI stochastic oscillator, and then we have 200 moving average EMA, and then I will give us the setup of the strategy first in this video because I want us to follow along with me when I'm trading the example and different signal that the strategy may give, and then I want us to test the strategy about multiple times in order to have the confidence in the strategy. And then guys, I want to tell us that this is not a financial advice. You have to go through the strategy, find the confidence in it, and then also test it out yourself before you risk your real money. This is not a financial advice. So guys, let's go into the setup of the strategy. On the main chart we have 200 EMA. Let me go to my indicator so that I can show you the indicator name and then the publisher of the indicator, so that I don't want anybody to be confused about the indicator, because I pull out some previous video, people complain about the indicator that they are unable to find the indicator on the Tradingview. So the three indicator have the two indicator here. You can see, let me show you the two. Okay, this one, let me favorite it. Is not part of the indicator. Okay, so as you can see it here, this is a moving average colored EMA/SMA, which is report 32 is the publisher. Report 32, as you can see, report 32 is the publisher. I'm talking about the indicator on the main chart, this indicator. I'm talking about this one, this indicator, and then the indicator below, the moving average below, that is below, is a RSI Histoalert Strategy, which is created by H. Porter, as the publisher, so that when you are finding it, you can use H. Porter to find it. You can use any of the two to find it, or you can write everything together, then it will find the indicator for you. And then you can see the stochastic here is the normal stochastic on the Tradingview, which you can search it up on the, we have different section in when you are searching for strategy in Tradingview. We have a built-in, and then we have a public library. The stochastic that I use here is a normal stochastic that is built in a Tradingview. So guys, that's the setup. So then I've shown us how to find the indicator. Now let me now show you the setting behind each indicator, so that you will know how to set it up yourself. As I've said earlier on, is a 200 EMA, which is here. You can see is a 200 EMA. No, you can see this is the color. You can set it exactly like this one. This is the color, and then you press OK. You go to stochastic oscillator. The stochastic oscillator is a 21 stochastic oscillator. We have is a 21. Then we have 33 normal 33, 21 33. As you can see it here, 21 33 normal stochastic 20, but you will use the value of 21 33. And then there is nothing in the style, just normal color of the RSI, as you can see it here. Now let's go to the last indicator on our main chart, which is RSI. The RSI, and let me talk to us on how the let me show you the setting before I talk about how each indicator work. As you can see it here, we have a 21 RSI also, a 21 RSI. We have minus 10 plus 10, but we are not bothered about the minus 10 or plus 10 that is here. I will show us the reason why I said we are not bothered about this minus 10 or plus 10. Let me show us. When we get to the style, so you will uncheck the bar color, you uncheck it, and then the RSI Histoalert, you will check it. The hologram, you will check it. When you get to the hologram, because when you apply this indicator, it won't look like this, so you have to be very, very careful and watch the screen very well and set it exactly like this one. You can see when you get to the hologram, you will change it to line. You will make it as hologram, you will change it to line, so that it will be very, very simple to read. You will change it to line, and then you can see when you get here, you change, you can see I only mark a level 0. I only mark level 0. This level is the, I think there is you write, just mark a level and put 0. This first one, level 0, I only mark the level 1. You can highlight it, you can change the color to any color that you want, but it's only a level 0. Let me make this thing simpler by setting it up, like by resetting normal factory setting, and then I will reset it again for you to know how it works. I don't want anybody to complain that it doesn't get the indicator, because I get that a lot. Even some people even comment that I changed the name of the indicator before I put it out. And then, guys, I'm not the publisher, I can't change anything on Tradingview. If you publish a indicator, you have the access to change anything on it, but if you are not a publisher, you don't have any access on any indicator that any other publisher publish on the Tradingview platform. So I don't have that access. So let me change this thing to, you can see it, this is how it will look right from the beginning. This is how it will look, but I change it to my own style. That's the reason why you see it like that, the way it looked before. So let me change it back to my own style, then you'll follow along with me. So the hologram, you can see is line. This one you change it to line also. You change this one to line, as you can see it there. You change it to line. So this one will be, change this into line, and then you make it bigger. You can see you make it bigger. As you can see, you make it bigger. There's another setting we need to do. Make it bigger. Then you go to the red, you make it bigger. As you can see, you make it bigger. So you will now go to the level, you can see this is level 0. In order to show it very well, you can change it to white so that it will be more visible to you. You change it to white. That level 0, you change it to white. That's level 0. Then you will uncheck minus 10 and 10. Then we have the indicator. As you can see it here, we have the indicator. So that's how to set the RSI, because I know it's the RSI that will complicate the whole issue. So that's how to set it up. Now let me now go to the rule that bind the indicator. Now, number 1, this is how you will use your stochastic. Whenever the stochastic is oversold and then your the market is above 200 EME, you go for a buy. You always buy, which occur around this area. 1, because it is oversold here, and then it crosses, you go for that buy signal, and then you will watch your RSI also. If it's turned green, Whenever your RSI turn green, that means it's above 50. And then whenever your RSI turn red, that means it's below 50 level. In order to use that, when it's above 50, you buy, and then when it's below 50, you sell out. I use RSI for my trend indicator, and then I will show us the trade that we use here, because 200 moving average, there will be some lagging. It will lag behind sometimes, so you will use some 2 rules just to clip into the market. So as you can see it here, is overbought, and you know that your the market is very, very close to 200 moving average. You can take the buy signal. You can see when you take a buy signal, it go up very, very well. It go up very, very well, as you can see it here. When you go up very, very well, as you can see, and then here, this is you can see the stochastic oscillator is oversold around that area. When it's oversold around that area, and then you know that your overall trend is uptrend because the market is above 200 moving average. Here again, you can take another buy signal, because the market is uptrend, which you can see is going up right now. You can see it's going up right now. So that's how to use the strategy. Let's go for a sell signal. You can see, let's go for a sell signal. This is a sell signal here, as we can see it here. The market crossed 200 moving average around this area. You can see it crossed 200 moving average around that area. So you will wait. The reason why you will wait is that you won't take any buy signal. It's oversold around this area. You won't take a buy signal because the overall trend is below 200 moving average. That's the reason why you will wait. And then whenever you see that the market is overbought, then you take your sell trade, which occur around this area. You can see the market is overbought, and then you will take your sell signal around here. When you take your sell signal around here, your stop loss will be above 200 moving average, above it, a little pip above 200 moving average. You can see the market is not oversold, but it's very, very close to it. Then it went up again. It touched the 200 moving average, because sometimes the 200 moving average will serve as a resistance to the market, which it will respect. You can see it will respect it. The market is overbought again around this area. You can take another a sell signal. You can see, and then the market went down pretty good. And then you will see that when the market is going down, guys, I'm sorry, you can see the RSI is supposed to be in 21 period, because I reset it to the original setting. So I refuse I forget to change the value. So as we can see it here, the RSI is in 20 level. It has corrected itself. So you can see right from this area, you can see the market, the RSI is red also. It's red all through. You can see. So that give you a assurance, or that give you a confidence that the market is going down. So let me give us another example here. Let's go to another example. Okay, as you can see, the overall trend here is a buy, because the market is above 200 moving average. So the overall trend here is a buy signal. You will only look for a buy signal. You can see here you can buy because the market is oversold, and then this area also you can buy. The market is oversold. This area also you will buy because the market is oversold. And then you can see your RSI is majorly above 20 above 50. It's majorly above 50. See, and then here you will buy also because the market is above 200 EMA. So that's some example that I will give to us. You can go to different charts, different currency, stock, indices, and anything. You will test the strategy and then you will check it on different stock. When it work for you, you test it yourself. When it work for you, then you can have the confidence in it and trade with it. You can see this is gold. As you can see it here, the overall trend of gold is a downtrend. So whenever the market is overbought, you will sell. Whenever it's overbought, you will sell because you know the market will reverse back. Whenever it's overbought, you will sell. So you will wait for the market to cross this 200 moving average and then you will go for a buy trade. There's a lot of example, guys. Just go to the different currency and test it out yourself. And then thank you for supporting our YouTube channel. I really appreciate your support video. And then make sure you share with some of your friends so that YouTube can push forward our video to different people and recommend our video to different people. So thank you for tuning to our YouTube channel. Peace out.